Hello friends, our today's topic is pH and pOH. Now, why pH and pOH comes? It is not significant to always write the concentration of pH plus and OH minus in the power of 10 as 10 to the power minus 7, minus 8, 10 to the power minus 8.5, 10 to the power minus 6.5, 10 to the power minus 5. It is not significant to write the concentrations of H plus and OH minus ion like this. So, in order to identify the acid and bases, scientist Sorensen in 1909 proposed a scale for measuring the pH value. P stands for protein. Or power of H plus ion. By knowing the power of H plus ion, the pH can be calculated, and from that pH, the acid and bases can be identified. The pH is defined as, now definition of pH. The simple definition is, it is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ions, or it is also defined as the logarithm to the base 10 of reciprocal of concentration of H plus ion. Negative is converted by reciprocating H plus. Okay. Now pOH is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus ion, or if positive sign is used, log to the base 10 reciprocal of concentration of OH minus. These are the definitions of pH and pOH. What is the definition of pH? It is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion, or logarithm to the base 10 of reciprocal of concentration of H plus ion. pOH is defined as the negative logarithm to the base 10 of concentration of OH minus ion, or logarithm to the base 10 of reciprocal of concentration of OH minus ion. Okay, these are the definitions of pH and pOH. Now, how it works? If a dilute HCl is 0.001 molar in HCl, then what is the concentration of H plus? From that, yes, we have formula for concentration of H plus as N alpha C, where alpha is the degree of dissociation. HCl is strong acid or weak acid? Strong acid. So alpha is 1. In HCl, H plus is 1, so its basicity is 1, and the concentration is 0.001. So the concentration of H plus is, yes, 10 to the power minus 3. Now the pH will be negative log to the base 10 of concentration of H plus ion, negative log to the base 10 to the power minus 3. It is all become log m to the power n. It will be n log m. So it will be minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 log 10 to the base 10. The value of log 10 to the base 10 is found to be 1. So the pH will be 3. Okay. Now look at the concentration value, 10 to the power minus 7. Solution will be neutral, and for that pH will be 7 from this discussion. For 10 to the power minus 3 pH found to be 3. Therefore for 10 to the power minus 7 pH will be 7 minus log to the base 10 10 to the power minus 7 into minus 1 plus 7 log 10 to the base 10 1. Okay, so for minus 6 it is acidic or basic? Acidic, because minus 6 is greater than minus 7, so the pH is 6. For this acidic, pH is 5. For this also acidic, pH is 4. In this way, if the concentration increases, pH decreases. If the concentration of pH plus increases, pH decreases. If the concentration of pH plus increases, pH decreases. If pH is less than 7, the solutions are acidic in nature. If pH is greater than 7, solutions will be basic in nature. Now, look at the relation between pH and pOH. Before going to discuss the relation between pH and pOH, we will first look at the pH scale. pH scale. Now look at the pH scale. This is pH scale. Okay. If pH, I write here pH 1. So what will be the concentration of pH plus? 10 to the power minus 1. Or pH 2, yes, 10 to the power minus 2. These are the concentrations of pH plus, and these are the pH values. Okay. For 3, 10 to the power minus 3. Or pH 4, H plus concentration 10 to the power minus 4. Or pH 5, H plus concentration 10 to the power minus 5. Or 6, 10 to the power minus 6. For 7, 10 to the power minus 7. This is neutral point. Okay. This is neutral point. And this solution is neither acidic nor basic. For 8, 10 to the power minus 8. For pH 9, 10 to the power minus 9. For pH 10, 10 to the power minus 10. For pH 11, 10 to the power minus 11. For pH 12, 10 to the power minus 12. For pH 13, 10 to the power minus 13. And for pH 14, the concentration of pH plus is 10 to the power minus 14. Now, if the concentration of pH plus is greater than 10 to the power minus 7, solution will be acidic, and that pH will be less than 7, and these both conditions satisfy for acidic solution. Concentration of pH plus must be greater than 10 to the power minus 7, that is minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. And the pH values must be less than 7, that are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Here it is strongly acidic. Here it is weakly acidic. Here it is neutral. Similarly, if the concentration of pH plus decreases after minus 7, minus 8 is less than minus 7, minus 9 is less than minus 7. Concentration of pH plus decreases, or concentration of OH minus increases. Concentration of pH plus decreases or concentration of OH minus increases. Solution will be basic in nature. For that, pH will be greater than 7. For that, pH will be greater than 7. Okay. If pH is greater than 7, solution will be basic. Here it is strongly basic. Here it is weakly basic. Okay. This is all about the pH, pOH and pH scale. The pH scale was designed by Sorensen in 1909. Okay. This is all about the pH, pOH and pH scale. In next lecture, we will discuss about the relationship between pH and pOH.